Hi, I've got X12 open, and I'm just going to go over here and draw a little box to represent the house. Then I'm going to take the railing tool. Where's that? Come here, railing tool. There you are. And we'll draw a little porch. I'm going to shift select these walls and center them on my little box. Okay, I'm going to open these 3 walls, which are railing walls. We'll go to rail style, and we'll go post to beam, and excuse me, over to newels and balusters and change. I'll just keep it simple. Well, I'll try to match your sketch. So for newels, that's the posts. Excuse me. I'm going to go over to millwork columns, basic. And those will be the newels, and I'm going to set the width of the newels at 12 inches. And I'm going to offset the newels about 4 inches. No, okay, 3 inches. Okay, 2 inches. Yeah, there we go. I just didn't want that railing sticking out of the end. Excuse me. And these are just one square. And the rails, it's going to replace it with something square. Yeah, there's a square shape. And I want that to be, the height to be 1.5 and the width to be 5, something like that. Oh, okay, not 5. Oh, that's better. Now we'll go over to materials and get rid of that dark stuff. Where is it? There it is, Brazilian cherry. I'm going to change that to bone. Color bone. There it is. Okay. And on newels and balusters, I want to not draw rails. So in plan view, you can see the balusters. Now on this one, okay, let me create a terrain perimeter. Doesn't need to be that big for this little test plan. And let's see, we'll go over here to the stair tool and the one with the arrow on it. Yeah, there we go. We'll take that and center it. Okay, now I'm going to create a second floor, build new floor. Whoops, what happened? Let me undo that. Let's see, it's the wrong command. Build floor, build new floor. There we go, that's what I was looking for. I don't care about the ceiling height. Now I'm going to tell this wall and this wall to have a gable roof by going to the roof tab and full gable wall. Excuse me. And then I want a gable over this little guy. So we'll open that wall, go to its roof tab, tell it to be full gable. I don't care about the pitch all that much, not at this point. Now, I'm going to go up to the second floor. Oh, I might as well show you. Might as well build the roofs and show you what I got so far. Build roofs, boink. It automatically placed a wall there. Not exactly what you want, but you know, in the direction. Now these two roof planes I'm going to delete. I guess you could do the same thing, like if you have suite. I don't know what you have. We could just make this a deck. Well, I don't want it to be a deck. Make it a porch. There's a porch. And we'll go to the structure tab, and we won't have a roof over this room, but we will have a flat ceiling. Well, okay, no roof. Okay, so I got a porch there. Go back to the overview. Now I'm going to go up, excuse me, turn on the reference display. I'll tell you an easy way to do that. Come think of it. I'm just going to take these three walls and copy them. You go up a floor and go edit, paste, paste hold position. We'll turn the reference display off because it's unnecessary now. Now this doorway that was there, I'll delete that. And I'm going to take these walls here and open the dialog box for all three. Go over to rail style and just post a rail. This one we can probably get rid of that middle post. Yeah, I don't like the way that looks. Let me let's go back to rail style and we'll go post. There we go. See how this setting here, raise that up a little bit. And I want to set the height of these little guys, the columns, a little bit higher than the railing. Put that at 40. Yeah, that's the look I'm going for. Okay. And this we're going to define as a porch. And we'll make sure that, yeah, I don't want a ceiling. I don't want a roof over it. Isn't that about what you are looking for? Got a porch and a porch on top of a porch. And it's not on top of a roof, see, it's just on top of the porch, which basically the floor of this little faux porch is the roof for the porch. Just dial it up a little bit more. We'll go down to the first floor. And see, we'll flip that in. Yeah. And center it. Center it. We could even put, put a window there and make it fixed and 12 inches wide, 80 inches tall. And I'm going to change the, excuse me, go to the frame and make it 12, like that. So it's looks like a side light. Put that there. Copy to the other side. We'll go up to the second floor. Put some windows up there. Oops, I don't want to save this. And that's kind of like what your sketch is, okay? This can be done in Home Designer Pro. It cannot be done like I did it. Yeah, it can be done in architectural. It can be done in architectural or Pro. I didn't do anything that really involved other than getting rid of the roofs there. And I could have not done that by just calling this a porch and that a porch and turning the roof off before I built roofs. Okay, I hope this helps you and answers your question. And whether it does or not, have a great day.